Configuring your first virtual machine, step by step. Now that we have installed our hypervisor, it's time to set up our first virtual machine. In this lesson, we will go through the step-by-step process of creating and configuring a virtual machine in VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Player. Step 1. Launch the hypervisor. 1. Open VirtualBox or VMware Player on your computer. 2. Click on New to start creating a new virtual machine. Step 2. Name and select the operating system. 1. Enter a name for your virtual machine, e.g. Ubuntu VM or Windows 10 Test. 2. Choose the type of operating system. Windows, Linux, Mac OS if supported. 3. Select the specific version of the OS from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Allocate memory RAM. 1. The recommended memory size will be suggested based on the OS you selected. 2. For Windows or Linux, allocate at least 2 GB 248 MB of RAM. 3. If your system has more RAM, you can allocate 4 GB or more for better performance. Step 4. Create a virtual hard disk. 1. Select Create a virtual hard disk now and click Next. 2. Choose the disk type. VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image for VirtualBox users. VMDK Virtual Machine Disk for VMware users. 3. Select Dynamically Allocated Expands as needed or Fixed Size, faster performance. 4. Set a size for your virtual disk, at least 20 GB recommended. Step 5. Configure processor and additional settings. 1. Go to Settings, System Processor, and allocate at least 2 CPU cores for better performance. 2. Enable virtualization extensions if available VTX or AMDV. 3. Under Display, increase the video memory to 128 MB for smoother graphics performance. Step 6. Attach the operating system ISO. 1. Under Storage, select the empty disk and click Choose a disk file. 2. Locate and select the downloaded ISO file for the OS you want to install. 3. Click OK to save the settings. Step 7. Start the virtual machine. 1. Click Start to boot your virtual machine. 2. The installation process for the operating system will begin. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the OS inside the virtual machine. Final steps. Once the OS installation is complete, install Guest Editions, VirtualBox, or VMware tools to improve performance, enable full-screen mode, and allow seamless integration with your host system. Now your first virtual machine is fully configured and ready to use.